Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you input a number and print its last digit in Word. So what we have to do is, let us say we have to input a number 17. So the last digit is 7. So we have to write 7 in words. So I will show you how can we do that. So first, we have to declare a variable in which we will take input. So I will write here number as variable equals to int input, enter a number. So in number variable, a number is entered by the user. So now what we have to do, we have to extract the last digit. So let us say the user entered the 77. So we have to extract 7 from the end. So I will write here last equals to number modulus 10. So in variable last, the last digit of the number is stored. So now we have to check conditions. So if last equals to 0, print here last, print here 0. Elif last equals to 1, print 1. So here you can see I have written all the conditions from 0 to 9. At the end, I will write else, in which I will print error occurred. So this condition will run if the number is not 1 to 0 to 9. So now let's run the program. So first number I will write here 100. So here you can see the last number is 0. So it is written here 0. Now I'm running this again, and now I will write 99. So you can see here the terminal is written 9. Now we'll run again, and then right here, let us say 11. So here you can see 1 is written. So this is how you can make a program which will extract the last digit and write the last digit in words. So thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you.